Looking for the best fishing reels to level up your next catch? You're in the right place. We upload quality videos daily to help you discover the top products out there, quick, honest, and to the point. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear guides. Number 1. Zebco kolmekymmentäkolme kappale. Zebco has been around for decades, and it's a brand many anglers know and love. Their model Zebco 33 reel continues to get little upgrades, and now the 33 KPL is created. It's no wonder it is our top pick for the best spincast reel. This sleek platinum reel has a ton of features to rave about. For starters, the all-metal gears with dual ceramic pickup pins won't leave your line tangled in any way. It also features solid brass pinion gear. This model has a gear ratio of 4.7 to 1, so it's a little slow, making it perfect for heavy baits. The instant anti-reverse clutch works well and will be very helpful for novice anglers. You'll also get 4 stainless steel ball bearings in the reel, so everything runs smoothly. The all-metal body and stainless steel covers allow you to use them in fresh or saltwater applications. It also has ambidextrous hand orientation, so novice anglers can find which hand suits them better for casting and retrieving. Number 2. Lew's Custom Speed Spool SLP Series. Lew's Fishing is known by many anglers for its high-quality products. They're continuing to make reels at tournament levels while keeping that fun element in every model. The Custom Speed Spool SLP series isn't in any way different. It was voted Best of Show during the industry's biggest trade show, ICAST. We particularly enjoyed this reel's drag system. It has a rugged carbon fiber drag system that provides up to 20 pounds of drag power, and the double anodized U-spool allows you to use a mono or braided line. When we brought this reel to the water, we loved how easy it was to cast and retrieve the line. This is thanks to the 4-pin, externally adjustable centrifugal braking system. There's also an external dial with 27 points of adjustments to fine-tune your reel even further. We believe this reel is for anglers looking to upgrade their fishing techniques. It's not the easiest reel to use for beginners straight off the bat. Number 3. KastKing Summer and Sentin. Ice fishing requires some extremely specific gear, and the rod and reel are the heart of your ice fishing arsenal. We believe the KastKing Summer and Sentin spinning reel takes the top prize for the best ice fishing reel on the market. Each reel has 9 ball bearings that make it very easy and smooth to use. The one roller bearing helps with braking without adjusting any dials. This is important as you'll most likely be wearing thick and heavy fishing gloves. The Summer and Sentin reel is finished with anti-corrosion paint that protects it from probable damage, so you'll have a strong reel that's durable for your fishing adventures. You'll bet a total of 17.5 pounds of max drag, and it's all available at an unbeatable price. Number 4. Shimano SW Saltwater. The best saltwater fishing reel needs to be able to endure a lot of splashback from water that's full of sand and grit. This leads us to introduce to you the best saltwater reel manufactured by Shimano. The SW Saltwater reel is perfect for many fishing presentations like offshore jigging, casting live baits, and bottom fishing. It has a solid construction with Shimano's cross-carbon drag system and a lot more to seduce you to make the purchase. The high-efficiency gearing system will deliver strength and rigidity even when fishing seawater game fish. It greatly increases the leverage and power of the overall performance. The gearing system runs a little higher, with a gear ratio of 6.2 to 1. Unlike many other reels on our list, this model's spool is relatively narrow, yet it's still constructed of aluminum. This dramatically reduces the need to guide the line manually. The bearings also help everything inside the reel to run smoothly and without too much noise. You'll get 3 SARB bearings and 1 roller bearing made of high-quality stainless steel. Number 5. Shimano Curado. Looking for a small and light baitcasting reel that can reel in large fish? Let us introduce the Shimano Curado K baitcast reel. Not only did Shimano make this reel for many fishing situations, but the low price point means it's more affordable to a wider group of anglers. Here are some of the top features in this versatile, low-profile baiter. This model is 10% smaller than its earlier models, but it's still as tough. It has a robust AL aluminum frame that won't flex under pressure. This Hagane aluminum frame also protects the interior of the reel from unexpected impacts. Some other features are the long and strong handle, which allows for more leverage when reeling in that big bass, drum, or trout. You can also choose between 3 gearing options in 6.2:1, 7.4:1, and 8.5:1. Lastly, you can choose between left and right-handed retrievals in all sizes. These features and more makes this model the best bait casting reel for big fish.